Do you have the hiccups, Emma? You never got the hiccups, huh? What are you gonna do about that? You gonna do the hiccup? How are you gonna stop the hiccups? You can't stop hiccuping, can you? No. Wait for it. Hiccups, yeah. What are you gonna do? You're just gonna keep laughing. That's not the way you stop hiccups. What if you got a tickle? Well, you want to read the dinosaurs, huh? What about the hiccups? Oh, we read dinosaurs instead of the hiccups. Wait for it. Alright, we'll read the book. We'll see if the hiccups go away on their own. Bye.